You just break it with the hammer?
No, it's not yours.
What happened?
No, like when I had one.
No, that's how I opened it, with the hammer.
Oh.
Here you go, Kylie. Te se come la cuchara, eh? No, you know how I learned this?
Wow. When you were in jail? No?
Why did you like this?
Cool.
Those were.
Oh, your mom has never been in jail. She has been to prison.
Yeah, the booty finger.
The booty finger.
¿Tú también quieres dejar mi finger long?
Why? It's called a booty finger for a
Who's next?
What? Nobody?
Acá está el tuyo con el mío. ¿Ya nadie?
Holy shit, I thought we were more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Then how come you get an extra one?
Oh, yeah, my mom.
No, ya I'm special.
Daddy?
Ahí las escucho.
I need one.
Uh-oh. You need one?
I need one.
That thing is dry as hell.
You need one. You need one.
Está más chupada que la...
Why you need one? Why you need one? Wait. Why you need one? Why you need one? Wait. Why you need one? Wait. Why you need one?
You should tell me when you do something.
You already know that.
No, I didn't see. I thought you were going to put music.
Did you hear music?
Nah.
Yeah. That's good.
Funny, man. I forgot the plates.
No, you're not going to tell us where we're going to hide them.
So those are our plates now. A ver la spoon, ¿dónde está Shorty? Yo no agarré spoon, ¿qué pasó?
Yeah, it's inside the thingy. Se va a oxidar, te dije.
Oh, damn, the real spoon. But this is a spoon.
¿Quieres un plato? It's drier than...
That's because my sister forgot the plates. Who forgot the plates? Steph.
Stephanie.
Steph.
No, he's asking.
Who forgot the plates?
I don't know.
Me either. Who forgot the plates? I think you put them back away, Steph. I had put them in the bag. I put the knife, the cilantro, the lemons. What happened? You want more? Mm-hmm. All right. Here.
He's recording us.
All right.
No.
He's taking a picture of all of us.
Simon.
Take your spoon.
I know, it's
Mine
fucking
says
custom
$2.
spoon.
Spoon.
That's a real spoon right here. Damn, that shit don't got no lemon.
And you know what else?
I just rubbing it.
You know what else?
What?
Foil.
Foil?
A video of
Oh, we don't even got foil either. I was gonna bring. Oh, we could have done it. I was gonna bring the trays from yesterday. That's where I had everything, but then I put it in the pot.
your mom. I show you.
Does it even have lemon, Jojo?
I show you chicken. How Kylie? Let me see. Look, I show you.
Booty finger.
Show you chicken.
Mommy has a big one.
You have to play.
She said, "Mommy has a big booty finger."
Dude.
Damn, fuck! What the fuck is this saucy as fuck?
Okay, eat.
¿A qué?
El pollo.
Oh yeah. It wasn't salt. It was Larry's.
Look.
Fucking Larry was too salty on a Easter Sunday, huh?
Look. I need the back.
Ah, esconde la caguama, esconde la caguama.
No me puedo esconder. I can't hide the 24.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's up? Oh shit, damn.
Oh, I want a cactus.
The cactus. That's for grown-ups, homie.
When you're 21.
No, I know. 10.
Okay.
No, agua. No hay mamá. Esto es para grandes. No hay agua.
They say I bought you guys later, you guys pound that shit.
Yo no, límpiale el moco.
And that shit was gone in fucking 30 seconds.
Papá, límpiate el moco con la camisa. Bueno, moco.
Por adentro, güey.
De adentro.
Damn, this shit is smeared like a motherfucker.
Help him. Con el de
Damn.
adentro.
Oh, damn! He did a
Con lo de
bubble.
adentro, con lo de adentro,
Damn.
así.
Fuck. And I was gonna zoom in on that shit. He did a fucking bubble.
Mejor come tú, babo.
Fuck, that shit was gangster.